Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for all of the students in the 4th grade of SDIT Nur Al Rahman. Meet me again with Miss Reni in English lesson. How are you today? I hope you are always in a good condition. Today we are going to learn the unit 3 about my classroom. In the unit 3, we are going to learn about the first demonstrative determiner, or the use of this, these, that, and those. And then the second, we are going to learn about preposition. In preposition, we will learn about on, in, beside or next to, behind, in front of, under, above, and between. So, if you are ready to listen and to learn, let's get started to the material. Okay, students, the first Miss Reni will explain about demonstrative determiner, or the use of this, these, that, and those. So, please take a look at the picture. When you see the picture of the demonstratives, you see the singular and plural. So, what is singular and what is plural? I will explain first about this. Singular is used for one thing. Jadi, singular ini digunakan jika bendanya hanya satu. And then plural is used for pointing more than one things. It can be 2, 3, 4, and more. Jadi, plural itu digunakan untuk menunjukkan bendanya yang lebih dari satu. Bisa jadi 2, 3, 4, dan lebih. Atau bisa disebut juga bentuk jamak. So, let's learn about this. This is used for pointing a thing near. I will give you an example of the use of this. This is a book. This is a pencil. This is an egg. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, this bermakna ini. Okay, next is this. Students, this is similar with this, but the object should be more than one. For example, these are chairs, or these are 2 chairs. Because there are 2 chairs, so you have to use these. These are 2 chairs. And don't forget, if the object is more than one, so you have to use are, because it's plural. The next, I will explain about the use of that and those. In bahasa Indonesia, that and those is itu. So, that is used for singular and those is used for plural. I will give you an example of that. That is a chair. And I will give you an example of those. Those are chairs. Let's moving on to the second materials. Okay, students, there are 8 prepositions that will be learned today. There are on, in, beside or next to, behind, in front of, under, above, and between. Okay, let's start. First is on. On in bahasa Indonesia is di atas. Miss Reni will give an example of this preposition. The book is on the table, yang artinya buku ada di atas meja. The next preposition is the. So I will give you an example of this preposition. The pen is in the pencil case, yang artinya pulpen ada di dalam kotak pensil. The third is beside or next to. Here is the example of beside and next to. Table is beside the chair, or the table is next to the chair. The fourth is behind. In bahasa Indonesia, behind is di belakang. So I will give you an example of behind. The man is behind the tree. The fifth is in front of. Here is the example of in front of. The teacher is in front of the whiteboard. Let's move into the next prepositions. The sixth is under. So I will give you an example of the use of under. The ball is under the table. The next is above. Bahasa Indonesia, above adalah di atas. Above ini digunakan untuk menunjukkan benda yang lebih tinggi daripada benda di bawahnya. So, I will give you an example. For example, the clock is above the whiteboard. Last preposition is between. In bahasa Indonesia, between is di antara. Here is the example of between. The book is between the pencil and the ruler. Okay students, alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Our material today about demonstrative determiner and also about the preposition is done. So, I hope you understand about my explanation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week.